Imagine a single ingredient that can transform your cooking, skincare, and even hair care routines. Discover the magic of coconut oil. Coconut oil, derived from the meat of coconuts, is one of the few plant-based oils that remains solid at room temperature due to its high saturated fat content. Its neutral, somewhat sweet flavor and ability to add a crispy texture to foods have made it a favorite in kitchens worldwide. In recent years, coconut oil has been hailed as a healthier alternative to animal fats like butter and lard, but moderation is key. Let's dive into the nutritional facts. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil contains 40 calories and 4.5 grams of fat, with no carbs, protein, or significant vitamins and minerals. Despite being plant-based, coconut oil is 100% fat, with 80% to 90% of it being saturated, primarily composed of lauric acid. Lauric acid is known for its potential health benefits, including antimicrobial properties that can benefit both skin and hair. A 2015 study found that applying coconut oil to hair reduced protein loss better than mineral oil and sunflower oil. In 2021, another study revealed that coconut oil could promote healthy bacteria and fungi on the scalp, reducing dandruff. Coconut oil's benefits extend to the skin as well. Its antimicrobial properties can help with conditions like eczema and even aid in wound healing. It's also an effective moisturizer, commonly found in lotions, creams, and even men's deodorants. Some research suggests that the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut oil could aid in weight management by not being stored in fatty tissues. MCTs might also help reduce waist and hip circumference when they replace long-chain fatty acids in the diet. For those on a plant-based diet, coconut oil is a versatile option that fits seamlessly into vegan and vegetarian lifestyles. Allergic reactions to coconut oil are rare, despite its classification as a tree nut by the FDA for labeling purposes. However, it's essential to be cautious, as symptoms like wheezing, itching, or hives could indicate an allergy. While coconut oil has a health halo, it's not a miracle cure, especially for heart health. The American Heart Association advises against using it as a substitute for other fats. There are various types of coconut oil, including virgin and refined, each with its own extraction methods and uses. Virgin coconut oil is less processed and has a stronger taste and smell, making it suitable for lower temperature cooking. Refined coconut oil undergoes more processing, resulting in a neutral flavor and higher smoke point, ideal for high temperature cooking. Store coconut oil in a cool, dark place or refrigerator to extend its shelf life. Use it in cooking, baking, or even in your morning coffee for a tropical twist. Discover the versatility of coconut oil today.